Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open .jar files on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, you gotta make sure you have Java Runtime installed on your system. To check that, just open your command prompt and in here type Java -version. And if you type this, either a command will come that it is not found, then your Cherry is not installed. And Cherry stands for Java Runtime Environment. As you can see, mine comes back with a version number. That means mine is installed. If yours gives a version number, that means you got it. If yours comes back with a version number, that means you have Cherry. And if you don't, just go to Google and download it. Just go to Google and search for download JRE. Then just go to the first one or the second one. And from here, just download Java. And after that, just install it like a normal system. And after that, what you want to do is just make sure your Java is installed from your command prompt. And then just go to the .jar file. And after going to the .jar file, just right click here and click on open in terminal. And inside here, just make sure to paste this command, properly check it. It says Java -jar space the file name that you want to run. For me, it's helloworld.jar. Then just hit on enter. Mine is a very basic file which just prints hello world from Java. So this is a very basic file. If yours is something else, an application, maybe it will run properly, don't worry. And basically that is how to open .jar files on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.